Sick of hearing about the same old symptoms? Let's dive into the world of whooping cough. Whooping cough, officially known as pertussis, starts like a mild cold, but it can turn nasty with severe coughing fits that make you gasp for air. Sounds fun, right? Not really. Here's the contrast. While it's just an annoying cough for adults, it can be life-threatening for babies. Scary stuff. So what are the red flags? Think persistent cough, a whoop sound when breathing in, and vomiting after coughing. If you spot these, don't DIY this. See a doctor. Prevention is key. Vaccines are your best friend here. And if you do get it, antibiotics can help shorten the contagious period. Ever wondered why it's called whooping cough? Because it makes a whoop sound. No joke. So what's the weirdest sound you've ever made when sick? Drop a comment below and share. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.